Okay everyone, we're doing a review of the Glock 17 9mm. Alright, it's a really good gun though. It's very reliable. Basically all Glocks are reliable, and as you can see, it's a 9mm bullets. Okay, if you look carefully, you see it, guys. Can you see? You see? Alright, so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna put in the chamber. Okay, so now the bullet's in the chamber. Okay. Okay, so today's review, it's about how reliable is Glock 17. Alright. Okay, so first things first, alright. Okay, here, be careful. Okay, first I want you guys to know about the safety of Glock.